Number 6 asks us to find the missing side lengths. Leave your answers as a radical in simplest form. Notice that these are your 30, 60, 90 triangles, okay? That is the properties of your 30, 60, 90 triangle. So let me just label this as my 30 here, right? So I can figure out my short length and my long. I need to find my long leg and my short leg first, okay? So the fact that this is 30, the opposite one is here. So this is my short leg, is y. And my 60, opposite to that would be my long leg, okay? And then this would be my hypotenuse. All right, so I can now set up my equation. My hypotenuse is equal to my short leg times 2. Do I have my hypotenuse? Yes. 8 radical 5 is equal to my short leg times 2. And I can solve for my short leg by dividing by 2. Divide by 2. This cancels, leaving you with a 4 radical 5 is my short leg. And my short leg here is y. So 4 rad 5 is equal to my y. Then I have my long leg equals my short leg times radical 3. I know what my short leg is. My short leg is 4 radical 5 from my last problem. Just multiply that by radical 3. That should get my long leg. So my long leg is 4 radical 15. Okay, and my long leg here is the value of x. So x equal to 4 radical 15. All right, now let's do this one. Let's label it. So my 60 here is going to give me my long leg. My opposite to my 30 is going to get me my short leg, and opposite to that 90 should get me the hypotenuse. My equations are hypotenuse is equal to short leg times 2. And let's plug in the values. Hypotenuse is x. My short leg is, do I have a short leg, which is short leg L? No, y times 2. I have two variables, can't do anything here. I have my long leg is equal to my short leg, which is y times radical 3. Do I have my long leg? Yes, I do. It's 5 radical 3 is equal to y times radical 3. I can now divide by radical 3 to both sides. This cancels. The radical 3 over radical 3 cancels. 5 is equal to my y. My y is my short leg. Please understand that. I have my short leg, so I can just plug it in. 5 times 2, that gets me 10. So my hypotenuse is equal to 10. Okay, so there you go. I need to use both of my equations to get my missing values for my sides of my 30, 60, 90 triangle.